Welcome to Salt Lake City, Utah. Big Daddy's garage, man. Now we're gonna do a controller for a power supply on the Grim Reaper. 2 phone plugs, a rheostat. It needs to be at least 35 ohms so that it will hold pretty good on 12 volts like this one, or 18, 20 with a female to plug in. So like always try to cut a little bit of the hole, make it bigger so you can get your hands in. Dremel tools works good, just as low speeds, you see? Now you have big space to get your stuff into it. Now start drilling. Always drill a little bigger than the size that you need so your phone plugs, jacks and work better. You can fit them better. Just be precise and drill slow speeds on resin made figures. When you work too fast on them, it gets hot, man, and it's a pain in the butt. Like you see, when you work a little slow and carefully, really precise, you're gonna get to see the parts of the material just coiling down around the drill bit. See? You don't have to always clean up your mess, man. That dust from the resin is pretty toxic and sticky everywhere. Sometimes you have to grind all the time by the holes just to get the thickness enough so you can get your lock nut inside. Sometimes it's a lot of grinding, but it's better. For the rheostat, you gotta cut the little tips inside. This is like a holder thing, so when you turn the knob, the whole rheostat won't spin. You see? Make a sharp point on it. Then you put the knob tight, you see, which is barely fit. Now we have all the parts: the phone jacks, the plug for the electric, and the rheostat. Any wire will help me to connect all the stuff. Like I always use tweezers and a soldering pen just for the space. It's easier. And always put soldering iron on the tips of your wires before you solder them. Make it easier and faster. You see? All together now. Now let's test. This is one of the machines that I did with 2 handles of knives. This power supply works good. You see, as a decoration, and it has walls. 12 volts, 1 amp. See? This machine is made only for the 2 handles and a little piece of steel on the bottom. Drill and tap with threads. See? It fits pretty good and runs really good. Any power supplies you have could be used for this. You know that? You can change the power supplies as long as they are 12 volts as well as the 18 or 20. They still work with these machines. Like these ones, you see? You can always use any of those. Interchange them. This is another machine that I want to test with this. And this is made out of Chinese coins with Chinese dragons on the coils. And like as you see, the bottom screws on the coils is what it keeps the frame together. Alrighty, now we have this 12 volts power supplies Grim Reaper, La Santísima Muerte. Ready to go, man. Hope you can do it. Thank you.